To complete the window installation, we've screwed the flanges in. Now we got to put the header log up there. So the flashing that's come along, you're going to want to put a little sealant that comes with it to hold that flashing in place. A couple little dabs. And then you'll also put them on the top log. A couple little dabs there. Yep, right in the center of that. So the flashing does not come installed for shipping reasons. So he'll press it on. Now what he's going to do is put a little more sealant in the groove that's left over. That groove is going to be where the window fin comes in. Okay, good. Now this log is ready to set. We can slide that flashing back and forth if we have to, but right now we're going to hand that up to George's assistant here. And that log, you'll notice that the plywood is recessed back, so that wing will fit right in between the plywood. It'll drop down inside and go right over the flange. Now when this is completed, the window will be flashed, it'll be installed, the trim will be on the outside, and it will be complete. We're going to pull this tie-vac now over the window fin, and we're going to staple that into place just to hold it. Actually, this tie-vac, if you have a little, put that underneath the top piece. And the reason for that is if you get water intrusion here, it'll go down below that. So we're all set with this. Stay off the nailing fin. And when we put our cover piece on, we got a complete seal. So the window from the outside is installed. Took less than 3 or 4 minutes. Typically in log buildings, windows can take a long, long time to install, sometimes up to a half a day. Our system is designed so that your windows go in very simply. They go in right every time. And this, you got your top log ready to go as we put our cover boards on. And I think now in our next segment, we'll put some cover boards on and kind of complete this side. If you have any further questions, contact us at the information listed.